Hello everybody, welcome to SuperBunnyKids. Today we are going to be learning how to draw some grapes. Come draw with me. Let's get started. First, we are going to be picking up our black marker and drawing the grape. Let's get started. So first, we are going to be drawing a circle and another circle and another circle and one more circle. This is the first row of the grapes. Now we're going to draw 3 circles at the bottom like this. And then we're going to draw 2 circles at the bottom of that one. And now we are going to be drawing one more grape. Now at the top, we are going to be drawing 2 lines exactly like this. One's going to be a bit taller, one's going to be shorter. Then we're going to cross it like that. Now we're going to do a U shape and then put a line through it. That's the leaf. And this little line thing, it's the stem. And now we've drawn our grape. Now do you know what time it is? It's time to paint it, of course. What color do you think are grapes? Are they blue? No. Are they pink? No. But do you think that they might be purple? Yes, grapes are purple. Let's get started. I'm gonna use my purple paintbrush to paint with purple paint. That's actually kind of funny, right? Purple paint with a paintbrush that's purple. That's really funny. So we are going to be coloring all the grapes like this. We got 1 grape done. We're going to do our second grape now. Do you guys like grapes? Yeah, me too. I love all fruits. Now we're going to color our third grape. Did you know that there's so many types of grapes? There are red grapes and green grapes and purple grapes. Know which one's my favorite? Green grapes. They're really good. What type of grapes are your favorite? Tell me in the comments down below. Now we are gonna be painting the last grape in the first row. We're almost done finishing row 1. Soon we're gonna go to row 2. And we're done with row 1. Yay! Now we're going to be painting in row 2. I like the color purple. Do you? If you do, then tell me your favorite color. I love that color too. Want to know my secret? I love all colors. They're all so beautiful and pretty. And we're going to color the last grape in our row. But don't worry, there's still so much more to color. 3 more grapes and then we're going to be done with coloring the purple part, of course. But there's definitely more, like coloring the leaf. Could you guys guess what color leaves are? I'll think with you. I don't know. Tell me once you're done, okay? And we are almost done with coloring the grapes. So we are so close to be done with coloring our last grape, and done. Oops, missed the spot. There we go. We're done coloring with the purple. Now that we're done coloring purple, we are not going to say bye-bye purple, bye-bye purple. Now, did you think what color the leaf is? I have 3 ideas. Is the leaf red? No. Is the leaf orange? No. Is the leaf green? Yes, the leaves are green. Let's get this paintbrush and start painting green. Did you guys know that there are actually red, yellow, and orange leaves? In the fall, there are red, yellow, and orange leaves. But there are also green leaves in the spring and summer. What color of leaf is your favorite? And now we are done with green. Say bye-bye green. Bye-bye green. And now we are done with drawing our grape. Okay, so thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you guys liked the video. Please make sure to subscribe and like. And I'll see you next time, Super Bunnies. See ya!